Hi everybody, the Pound Trader here making an analysis for Wednesday, 11th of November 2024. You're welcome to the channel. So this is the Pound USD and I am on the monthly time frame, and I think we are in a downtrend. I think that this here is a range. I think this was impulsive. This to me looks like a retracement, and I am hoping that price might continue selling, maybe back down to these levels over here, because we can see that we do have a candle that closed bearish in October, I believe. Also, this level here that I have, the 1.2600, is quite a relevant point for me, and we can see that price is hovering around this area over here, because when I do take my retracement from the top of that swing point to here, we can see that we had a rejection at the 78.6, and this other level here, which is a golden zone, is the 61.8% fib. And this level, I have had it for quite a long time, almost this whole year, because this level to me has just been quite strong, and I have highlighted it. So when we go to the lower time frames, I'll show you what else I'm seeing on this level over here. But basically, yeah, we have a reaction over there, a bearish candle, and I do think that price will continue moving downwards. However, it is December, so I don't know. So this is the weekly time frame. Now the weekly time frame, so you can see we are in an uptrend in my opinion, because we have these swing points over here, and we also do have a rejection on this swing point here. However, this level to me does not look like, this reaction here is not like the best bullish candle. We can see that this candle has like a wick sort of situation and then going bullish, and we can see that this level 1.260 is still the same level that has been quite a strong point even in the last couple of months, and price is currently at this level here that I've highlighted with this orangey pink red zone, and this is like a trend line that I have. However, I do feel like because we have a rejection over here, price might continue pushing upwards, maybe back to that level over here, and then maybe downwards, or even like a double top towards this level here. However, because this is not the best bearish candle, I won't be shocked if price continues, reacts from this level over here and continues selling. I honestly won't be shocked, excuse me. So this here to me looks like a waiting game. This 1.26 level is holding. Let's go and look at it more clearly on the daily time frame. Yes, on the daily time frame, we can now start seeing it clearly. I've highlighted it here. If I take my Fibonacci level, we do have a reaction around that point, which is the 50% fib. So I'm honestly not sure, because on the weekly, I am expecting like bullish pressure, but because we have a lot of consolidation, this might be tricky. I'm really just waiting for a breakout, either that from that to that level there, or if not, maybe a breakout downwards to break this trend line and even these whole levels over here. So to me, the Pound USD just looks like a waiting game, especially like in December. I don't really think I'm that curious. So yeah, we can see here, this is the 4-hour time frame. We are in an uptrend, but consolidating on this level that we can see much more clearly now, waiting for a breakout. And I think I might put like an alert. Let me put an alert actually, or let me go to the 1 hour. I'm gonna put an alert to the upside, because I feel like there might be potential for price to go to the upside. But as I've said, if we do get a breakout even below this level here, I'm still cool. So going over to the 1 hour time frame now, guys, I think I can see what is it called, a symmetrical triangle. I don't know about you, but I think I can see something here. Yeah, and I don't know if this here is a breakout or if I should just like adjust my trend line, but to me this looks like an ascending triangle, sorry, a symmetrical triangle, and it looks like a breakout, but it's not a clear breakout, because this is yesterday's low, and you can see price is still around yesterday's low as well. So this is interesting. So as I said, I'm going to put an alert. I think I am going to be biased to the upside, and I am going to put an alert maybe at the 1.278. So 1.278. Yeah. I don't know if price might come back over there, but if it does, then I'll be waiting for maybe a buy on that side. But also, yeah, breakout would be cool. Breakout above yesterday's high would be a nice confirmation, a retracement, and then back up. But if not, then I'm waiting for a proper breakout even below yesterday's low. If this breakout can continue and even break below this one, that would be ideal. Now, this might be something that I'd have to wait for, so I really don't know if I'll get this opportunity today or maybe tomorrow, Thursday. Who knows? But basically, that's my bias. It's not looking good, guys. It is not looking good. I think the December consolidation is starting. Let me know what you think. I'm actually scared to trade this pair. So just looking at the dollar index, I'm going to start maybe on the daily. Yeah, I think the daily is cool. So you can see that we are in a sort of uptrend. There's this level here that is acting as resistance, going over to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, we can see, I don't know if the price might break out above this level here. If it does, then it probably will confirm the sells from the triangle that I'm looking for on the pound. But if it maybe reacts and maybe breaks below this one and breaks, then it might confirm a bullish pressure on the pound. So as well, this is also waiting as well, literally just waiting for a breakout. Today, there's not much that I can do except just to wait and see what happens before looking at a move to trade. So yeah, but let me know what you think. So even in the calendar, we have news. I'm based in Kenya, so this is East African time. We have 4:30 p.m. today, Wednesday, and Thursday 4:15, some Euro news, USD news at 4:30, PPI, okay. And then Friday we have some pound news, GDP. There's normally a lot of reaction when it comes to like pound GDP news, but I will stay I'll stay what is it called? I'll stay alert. But yeah, I don't know if I'm seeing anything. If you can see anything, please let me know what you think, because it's quite confusing, especially when there's consolidations like this. It becomes a little bit tricky. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.